Hi guys, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Room Styler, which is what you'll be using if you choose the virtual option as you redesign your homeschool workspace. You're going to go to this website and then you're going to create an account and sign up. And then it will take you to a place like this where you see your name, and you'll need to go to Tools and go to 3D Room Planner to start with. You will start from scratch. And then you're going to just basically follow the directions over here. This will give you a place to start with. Mine is just a nice square space right now, but if I want it larger, I can change the properties for that. If I want to add a door, I can just drag and drop that as well. Let's just put that right here, and it pops right in like that. You might want to play around with the sizing, but although it does give dimensions, so if you want a larger window, you probably will want to pick a larger dimension. You will go here and you can browse by category the things that you want, or just the quick and easy way is to just search it at the top and then scroll down. And there's a blue chair I like. So I'm going to add a couple of chairs by the windows here. If you add a plus, it will create another one. And if you add an X, it'll, of course, delete it. This little thing here will help you move it and change it. And just for your information, if you want tutorials, if you like to watch tutorials, if you click on here, it will bring you to this website. And then there's a whole bunch of different things about how to use this website in a way more intense way than I learned how. This is your camera. So as I position my camera, I can either zoom in, have a normal, but I like the wide angle because you get a good view. And it's going to show you here what your camera is taking a picture of. Now, if you move it, you need to wait for just a second, and it says render, and then it will re-image. So then you're going to take a 3D photo, and I'm just going to call this practice 1. It's not a real property. I'm just going to say it's only for me. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to click here to go to my page. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, I wish it was a real room. And then you're going to take a screenshot of that, but what I want you to notice at the very bottom, let me see if I can move this. At the bottom it says designed and it has my name, and when you take your screenshot, make sure that I can see that, because I want to make sure that is something that you have actually designed for yourself. So I hope you enjoy this. It was a lot of fun for me to do for my class, so maybe some of you will pick that and enjoy it as well. Can't wait to see what you come up with.